Sound healing is a form of therapy that uses sound frequencies to promote healing, relaxation, and well-being. It is based on the principle that everything in the universe, including our bodies, is in a state of vibration. When our bodies are in a state of dis-ease, the frequencies of our cells and organs can become imbalanced. Sound healing seeks to restore these imbalances by introducing therapeutic sound frequencies that promote harmony and balance. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about these hidden secrets to unlocking your full potential. Let's get started with this episode of Believation, where belief meets reality. Here are some ways to use sound frequencies to heal your mind, body, and spirit. Number 1. Listen to binaural beats. Binaural beats are a type of sound therapy that uses two different sound frequencies played simultaneously to create a third frequency that promotes relaxation and meditation. They can help reduce anxiety, improve focus, and promote deep relaxation. You can find binaural beats on various online platforms, including YouTube and meditation apps. As you vibrate higher, you attract more light, more love, more peace, and more joy to your life. Number 2. Use singing bowls. Singing bowls are a traditional form of sound therapy that originated in Tibet. They are made of metal and produce a range of sound frequencies when struck or played with a mallet. Singing bowls can help reduce stress and anxiety, promote deep relaxation, and improve overall well-being. You can find singing bowls at many wellness and spiritual shops or online. Let the sound of the singing bowl clear your mind and open your heart to the present moment. Number 3. Try sound baths. A sound bath is a form of sound therapy that involves lying down and listening to different sound frequencies, including singing bowls, gongs, and chimes. The vibrations from the sounds can help release tension and promote deep relaxation. You can find sound bath sessions at wellness centers, yoga studios, and online. In the stillness of the mind, I hear the sound of peace. Number 4. Practice chanting. Chanting is a form of sound therapy that involves repeating a mantra or sound to promote relaxation and meditation. Chanting can help reduce stress, anxiety, and promote a sense of calm and well-being. You can find chanting practices in various spiritual traditions, including Buddhism and Hinduism. Chanting is a powerful tool to connect with our inner selves and the divine energy that surrounds us. Number 5. Practice guided meditations. Guided meditations are a form of sound therapy that uses spoken words and music to promote relaxation and meditation. Guided meditations can help reduce stress, anxiety, and promote a sense of calm and well-being. You can find guided meditations on various online platforms, including YouTube and meditation apps. Meditation is a powerful tool to connect with the present moment and the inner wisdom that resides within us. Number 6. Use tuning forks. Tuning forks are a form of sound therapy that uses metal forks to produce specific sound frequencies that promote healing and balance. They can help reduce pain, promote relaxation, and improve overall well-being. You can find tuning forks at many wellness and spiritual shops or online. Motivational quote: "Let the vibrations of the tuning forks clear the path to healing and balance in your life." Number 7. Listen to nature sounds. Nature sounds, such as rain, ocean waves, and birds chirping, can have a calming effect on the mind and body. They can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. You can find nature sounds on various online platforms, including YouTube and meditation apps. Nature has a healing power that can connect us with the present moment and the beauty that surrounds us. Here are some strong benefits of sound healing. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Sound healing works by using sound waves to promote deep relaxation in the body. As the sound waves travel through the body, they stimulate the release of endorphins and other feel-good hormones, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Sound healing can also slow down the heart rate and lower blood pressure, creating a sense of calm and peace in the mind and body. 2. Improves sleep quality. Sound healing can help to improve the quality of sleep by promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. When the body is in a relaxed state, it is easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Many sound healing practitioners use instruments such as singing bowls or chimes to create soothing sounds that can lull individuals into a deep and restful sleep. 3. Boosts immune system. The vibrations produced by sound healing can stimulate the immune system, promoting the production of white blood cells and other immune-boosting agents. This can help the body to fight off illness and disease more effectively, leading to improved overall health and well-being. 4. Increases focus and concentration. Sound healing can help to improve focus and concentration by promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. When the mind is calm and focused, it is easier to concentrate on tasks and stay productive throughout the day. Many people find that incorporating sound healing into their daily routine can help them to stay focused and on task, leading to increased productivity and creativity. 5. Promotes emotional healing. Sound healing can be a powerful tool for emotional healing. The vibrations produced by sound can help to release emotional blockages and promote a sense of emotional well-being. Many sound healing practitioners use specific frequencies or instruments to target specific emotional issues, such as grief or anxiety, allowing individuals to experience greater feelings of peace and happiness. 6. Reduces physical pain. Sound healing can also be an effective complementary therapy for chronic pain sufferers. The vibrations produced by sound can help to reduce physical pain and discomfort in the body by stimulating the release of endorphins and other natural pain-relieving chemicals. Many people find that regular sound healing sessions can help to reduce the need for pain medication and improve their overall quality of life. 7. Enhances overall well-being. By promoting balance and harmony in the mind, body, and spirit, sound healing can enhance overall well-being. Many people report feeling more energized and alive after a sound healing session, with a greater sense of vitality and purpose. Sound healing can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery, helping individuals to connect with their inner selves and experience greater feelings of peace and happiness. In conclusion, sound healing is a powerful form of therapy that can promote relaxation, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve overall well-being. Incorporating sound therapy into your daily routine can help you achieve a deeper sense of harmony and balance, and promote overall well-being. Whether you choose to listen to binaural beats, use singing bowls, try sound baths, practice chanting, guided meditations, use tuning forks, or listen to nature sounds, there are many ways to incorporate sound healing into your life. If you like the video, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And join my Telegram and become family now. Thank you.